Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. So we're seeing the crypto market continuing on its bearish path. Will we see the reversal anytime soon? So that's why we're going to be looking at the market to see whether we're going to get that reversal that most people anticipate. And I say most people anticipate that because I know there's a lot of people that have got long-term cryptocurrency portfolios that would want to see the market reverse. But we trade what the technicals show us. That's what we analyze. We do not get biased into the positions that we are holding. We look at the market technically. So let's get started. This is a Bitcoin on the daily. We have been looking for Bitcoin on the daily. Let's start with Bitcoin. So this is the structure that we're looking at here on Bitcoin. For this to push lower here and make a continuation to the upside. If you've been watching this for a while, you remember that we expected this one to be a wave 4. Just look at for the previous videos. We're looking for this one to be a wave 4 and continue to all-time highs here. But after the adjustment, we said this looks like our wave 4 now, and we'll be looking for this one to come around this level and push to the upside. Now, what is interesting here with this structure is that if you look at this area, Bitcoin has broken the previous high and has now come down here. There's a likelihood that this can be an expanding flat. Now, if this is an expanding flat, not only will this come to only 28,000, it can break lower. Remember, an expanding flat can break up higher and can break lower. So you may see this one come down to around this level. What we know is that we cannot have this trade below this. Trading below this level will invalidate the whole structure that we are looking at. And because this will now be your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and upside. So we cannot trade below this. That will invalidate the whole structure on Bitcoin. So what do I expect? So just like we anticipated last week, I'm going to go down to the lower time frame. We anticipated last week, over the last couple of weeks, when this was making a bounce here, 1, 2, 3, we anticipated that this was going to push the upside. We're seeing a bit of a bounce here. What does this bounce mean? Does that mean a reversal? Not at all. It does. Even if we do see this pushing to the upside, this could be making this corrective structure for that continuation move to around those levels that we're looking at. So let's see here if we're going to get that push to around 45, 47,000 again on Bitcoin. Then we'll see a move to the downside. Either that or this can simply just drop from current levels and continue down to around 28, 25,000 there on Bitcoin. Let's see how that plays out in the coming week. So the structure is similar on the rest of the market. Now we see a bit of a bounce here on Ethereum as well. After that big move here, we had a pullback here in 3, comes down here in 3. We'll anticipate this one to come up here in 3 as well. Okay, so after doing that, then that will still continue to the downside. So we are still bearish overall, the crypto market. There is no signs of reversal as yet. Either we're going to have that bouncing back up here for this leg here to reverse around this level, or we can still continue to the downside. We need to just get that confirmation into the new trading session this week. Right, so Litecoin, let's have a look at Litecoin. Litecoin has got a slightly similar, different structure. Let's have a look here on the daily. Slightly different, but still a corrective structure. So this is Litecoin. You have seen this structure. I've shown you this structure before. 1, 2, 3 here. We're still anticipating that this can still push to the downside. That is the structure that we're looking at on Litecoin. So can still continue to the downside and make a reversal around that level. That is Litecoin on the daily. Let's have a look at it on the 4-hour. What is the structure on the 4-hour? Will we get that bounce? Is that bounce strong enough? Not likely. Not likely. So let's see. If Litecoin is not even bouncing up, the rest of the cryptocurrencies may not even make a bounce to the upside, and we may just see that continuation to the downside. XRP. Okay, similarly, XRP has made this bounce here. We've got a move to the upside. We've got a corrective structure here in 3 waves. So we can get this one pushing to the upside to around this level. Either that, or we're just going to see this continue to the downside here. We need to confirm here whether we are getting this corrective structure. The bigger corrective structure, though, will be even more bearish. So let's see in the next coming week. All right, so Dogecoin, let's have a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin also continues to the downside. This is just a bounce here. Any continuation to the upside, we'll see this continue lower again. So that is Dogecoin. ADA similarly, we'll expect that to just continue to the downside. 1, 2, 3, looking for this to continue lower. All right, so as far as the cryptocurrencies are concerned, we are still bearish, whether it is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, Dogecoin, ADA, they're all looking pretty bearish. Any bounce to the upside is a corrective one and will be an opportunity to sell it some more. Binance, similarly, on the 4-hour, we've got 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down. We'll expect this to make a 1, 2, 3 up. If you don't get this leg here, that means this is all the correction that you have, and this is just going to continue lower. So we want to see that confirmation, whether we're going to get the 3 waves there or it's just going to push to the downside. All right, guys, so that's all on the cryptocurrencies. Still bearish, no signs of reversal as yet. Any bounce will be a selling opportunity still, and you still need to be careful when trading the cryptocurrencies. Don't start investing long-term now, although the future of the cryptocurrencies is still there and we still expect the cryptos to reverse. Maybe now is just not the right time. All right, thank you for watching. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so, and hit that bell notification button so that you get an alert the next time we upload a video. Have a great week, everybody. Cheers. Bye-bye.